Good day. I thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video, because on this lesson, I'm not saying lessons, but on this video here, I'll be speaking about how to utilize the MetaTrader platform. So for all those, okay, I do know that there's beginner people that like to watch my videos. Most importantly, I do know there's also advanced people that like to watch my content, which means that it's both for beginners and advanced people. But I want you to stay tuned, because at the end of the video, I'll be speaking of this important notice that I've got for you. But stay tuned, because we'll be speaking about how to utilize the MetaTrader platform.
Okay, members. So on this video lesson, I want to show you guys how you can get to download the MetaTrader platform, how you can utilize it to be able to make a full-time living out of forex trading. Okay. So MetaTrader, let us go to our Play Store. Okay, let us go to our Play Store. Okay, so it's somewhere here. Okay, here it is. Okay, I just searched it on MetaTrader 4. You can simply see a MetaTrader 4. Search it, then you can start installing it. Okay, you can see it's installing, and it doesn't take a lot of megabytes, which is like 4.9, which is like 5 megabytes. You can simply get using Wi-Fi or your normal personal data. But yeah, that was done. Okay, it has installed. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna open this app. I'm gonna open this app so you can simply see what it is that we can do, how powerful this small megabyte app can do to us. Okay, so what happens is that as soon as you start with it, it gives you a demo account. It like automatically just gives you its own demo account, but doesn't mean that you can start trading with this. There's a lot of options that you can utilize, ne? Like, what am I meaning? What I mean is that you can maybe get with whatever broker that you'll be using. You can get if it's IC market, or if it's whatever broker that you'll be using, you can get a demo account with them. Ne? If not, you don't feel like getting a demo account, you can also get a live account with your broker, and then you can connect it to this beautiful app of ours that we're gonna start using for our trading journey. Okay, so I showed you guys how you can get and download this app, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can use it. Okay, so now we are here at the codes. So you saw, like, as soon as I installed this app, it took us to this beautiful code page here. Okay, code tab, I don't know, but yeah, this is where you'll get your pairs. This is where most of your pairs are gonna be. You'll find them somewhere here, né? These are your major pairs, if I may say so. But if you want more pairs, you can simply press here to add pairs, and then there's a lot of options. Okay, you can see here it says forex. Depending on your broker, like there'll be brokers that can say forex as well as stocks and all these things. Like, if I just insert my broker, it gives me a lot of options. Like, there's indices, there's all these types of things there. But now, because we're using this demo that we just got here with the platform, I'll just also show you how you can register your own live account. Okay, so you can simply see we add, and then let's say now we want Euro AUD. You can just press Euro AUD somewhere here. Okay, it added. Okay, then let me go down and show you. There we go, Euro AUD. You can see it added here. So that's how you are gonna be adding the pairs that you want. Okay, but let me show you something cool. Let's say now we want to start trading Euro US dollar. So what I'll do is that I'll press Euro US dollar, and then I'll just say open chart. Okay, so you can see this is the charts on Euro US dollar. Okay, what did I do? Okay, Euro US dollar, you can see this is the charts. But if you just press on the charts like this, you'll simply see that there's a lot of options. Like, this is the time frame, whether you want to change the time from like 15 minutes here, simply means that each and every candlestick represents 15 minutes. Like, candlestick that you see here, it's 15 minutes. It takes 15 minutes for this candlestick to appear. If you just press here, this is 30 minutes, and again an hour, as you see, means that each and every candlestick here took an hour to open and close. Did you see that? So there's a lot of options there I want us to take care of. Let's say now you can start by pressing over here. Okay, no, here, right here, and maybe press delete, so you can start our charts like fresh, ne? So delete this and delete this. We want clean charts, don't we? You want that? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I have to hold this camera here and at the same time press, so you can see now that our charts are clean. There's no, you don't see all these indicators, the moving averages, the RSIs and stuff. It's just you and the charts. Okay, but one thing that I'm gonna do too is that I'm gonna show you how you can remove these period lines and how you can change colors to the candlestick to colors that you want. But simply seeing this is the code, this is the chart. Okay, when you want the chart, simply press here. When you want the code, press here. If you want to change to a different pair, you can say AUDUSD, then say open chart. Perfect. Can you see now it has opened? Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you for now, but I'm also now gonna dive into showing you what it is that we can do with the settings bar. Okay, so but before we move on to the setting bar, I want to show you something cool. There's what we call a crosshair that you can use. I'm not sure if they call it a crosshair here, but I use mostly on TradingView. That's what they name it. So did you see what I actually done? I pressed this crosshair, so you're able to just see what it is that you want to see. So like, let's say if you just move this up and down, can you see it shows you, let's say if I want to place a sell, stop, or a buy or whatever, like at a specific price, I'll just move this thing and it will give me that exact price on the side. Can you see? But if not, even if you want to see the date and time, you can just keep on moving it like this. It will show you what time it, like the candlestick was at, or the date, and you'll be able to just get the information that you need instead of you just trying to guess. Meaning that, like, let's say if you sell here and you want to place your stop loss somewhere above here, you can use this and just see what number it is, then place this number in your stop losses. So one thing that I'm going to show you too is that there's a lot of options you can press here. Simply by pressing here, you'll see that there's a lot of indicators, there's a lot of all these things that you can use, but I don't use this. It's just a lot of them. They're a bit complicated for me. So there's a lot of indicators in here that you can use if you are an indicator, if you trade indicate, but my members, they don't trade indicators. And also I want to show you how you can add that too. So let's say if you want to use trend lines. Trend lines are the best, the one thing that we use. Let's say if you just press here and here, add an object. Okay, can see it says add object. You can add vertical line, horizontal line for the support and the resistance traders, trend line, and all these Fibonacci tools and all these things that you can utilize. Okay, shapes, even rectangle, triangle, and all these things. But what I'm gonna be using now is just like this trend line. Okay, no, I used the okay, yeah, I think it's it. Okay, so I just added a trend line somewhere here. Can you see there's a trend line, and you can just play with it, place it wherever you want to place it. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna come here, edit it, so you can just play around with it. Like, you can choose the color that you want it to be in, you can choose how thick or thin you want it to be in, and all these things. Can you see? So this is your trend line, and you can see it says time frame all. What you can do is that you can also press here and deselect the time frames that you don't want it to appear. Meaning that if you press on daily, and you say okay, let me show you this. Okay, let me just show you a quick example. Let me just say done. Okay, can you see this trend line that's here, this red one? Okay, this one, it's gonna now appear on daily. Let me just go on daily. It will now appear somewhere. Okay, just that it's small, but here, can you see? It will now appear. But if I just select it, then I'll go to the setting. Okay, if I just select it, then I'll go to its settings here. Okay, right here, and I deselect on daily. I deselect it on daily, and I just say okay. What will happen is that when I go on daily, it will now not appear. Okay, it won't appear. But when I just drop down to the 1 hour, it will appear. Can you see? Here it is. Can you see? It appears. So what I've done is that, let's say if you have daily trend lines, you can have them on daily, but when you drop down to 4 hour, you move, like, they don't appear on 4 hour. When you drop down to 1 hour, that way you can have like cleaner charts, and you won't have like a lot of lines on your platform. Okay, that's the most important thing, not complicating your platforms. And this is simply how you delete it if you want to have another one. Okay, now I want us to focus on the settings, like how we can play around with the charts. Okay, now I want us to focus on how we can play around with the charts. So let's say now you want your charts to be something like, and after this I'm going to show you guys how you can work with your how you can update your accounts. Let's say insert your live account or open another new demo, I don't know. But let's say now you come here by settings. Okay, so here in settings you'll be able to see all these different types of settings. Advanced mode. Okay, order sounds, like this is like, let's say if you placing an order, you want it to have the sound that goes like power, I don't know, but here you will just play around with them and see. And you can see data window, show volumes, show trade levels. Firstly, I'll just start off by removing this trade levels, and then independent graphically created. Okay, independent charts. It's okay, show period separators. Okay, this I removed this period separators, that those lines that appear on the charts. And ask price line. It's almost like, let's say when you the sell line or the bet line, you know, those things. Okay, let me just show you guys a quick example. Like what happened is that, did I just say, okay, yeah, what's left here is the grid. I'll just show you guys how you can quickly remove this. So let me go on settings. Can you see there's a red line here at the top? If you don't want it to appear, you can simply just come here by settings and put it here as price line. You just deselect it, then it's not gonna appear. It's just gonna be the blue line. Do you get that? So now let us get into the most important thing. These are not important. The most important one is getting the charts to be a bit clean. So what I'm going to do is that, okay, our background is black. You can see our background is black. So what I'm going to do is that I'll just say, okay, maybe green on black, background is black. So I'll just go to the grid and make it be black. Okay, and then what I'll do is that okay, I'll just go to bar up, make it be green. I want to show you how you can have the green as buy. Okay, green bar down, make it be red. Okay, bull candle, it's up, make it be green. Bull, okay, it's green. Bear candle, make it be red. Okay, bear candle, I don't know, I think that's red. Okay, I think this should be red. And chart line, okay, it's okay, bed line, stop levels and all of that. So what I will do is that I'll just say done. Let's see how our charts look. I hope they're looking as I thought. Okay, yeah, you can see this. Okay, you can see what I've done to them. Now you can see the background is black. The candles, the green candles is the buy candles. The red ones are the sell candles. So now you can see that it's clean and there's no grids, like it's just us and the charts. You can simply see it's us and the charts. So let me just do this so you don't see the ask price line that I was speaking about. Let me just deselect it. Okay, let me go back to the chart. Okay, you can see that line, that red line is now gone. So you can simply do this again and have a white background for the ones that prefer white backgrounds. Okay, let me say background white. Okay, done. Can you see I said white background? So now I'll just say this. Can you see? Okay, this is the white background name, but you can simply see that the price on the sides is now, it's not visible. It's because we said the foreground should be white too. So I'll just make it be black. Okay, go back to colors. Foreground, can you see, make it be black, and grid, make it be white, because now it won't appear on a white background, you know. Then can you see I made grid be white, I made the foreground be black. So let's see, can you see how it is now? Now the charts are simply like the background is white, the green candles are there, the red candles are there too. So, and you can even see the price it's appearing nicely here. So now I want us to jump into the accounts, like how you can set up your account and start trading on this platform of ours. Okay, so let us take a look at this menu. Okay, let me just quickly explain this menu quick. Okay, this is the code so you get your setups, your pace, your trading pace. This is your chart where you want to go into your chart right here. This is your trades, so you're gonna see your balance, your equity, your running trades and all that. Obviously it's a demo account because I just got it now. This, okay, this just shows you your history down here. It shows you your history, and these are just like news and stuff. I don't normally use that. So let me just jump into the setting here, manage accounts. Okay, so you can simply see that this is obviously a demo that just was created now. So you can simply press here by plus, and then if you want to, let's say add an existing, okay, not existing, but add a live account that you just recently opened, what you will do is that you will just come down here, log into an existing account, and then you search your broker's name. Normally I use IC Markets. I've got an account with IC Markets, so I'll just say IC Markets. Okay, IC Markets. So you can simply see that there's like different types of server names. You can say, you see it says server, live server, I mean live 01, live 02, live 03 and all those things. So what it normally changes, like it's not the same. I have like a lot of accounts, like three accounts, not a lot, three accounts, and they all have different server names. The one is live 03, the other one is live 17 and all those. So even your one is going to be different from, I don't know, but your one is going to be its own unique one. So you can simply say, select your one. Let's say IC Market Live 05, for instance. Live 05, you'll have your details and it'll be sent to you by your email, it'll be sent to your email. Like the details that are going to be sent would be like your login. They'll give you a login number, which is like, I think it's a 5-digit number. It'll give you a password, and you can just change the password in your dashboard on your broker. And obviously you can say save password or not. And the server, the most important thing is understanding the server that you're going to be utilizing. Okay, the server. So let's say now we are done, then you sign in. Once you do sign in, okay, but let me just go back. Okay, sign in. It's going to take you to a page like it's going to show that it's a live account, you have signed in and everything, and it's going to take you to a page like this where it's going to appear. So let me just come down here and speak a bit about this and how you're going to place the trades. Okay, this is obviously a demo account. which but let me just, so once you are here, you'll be able to place trades. Okay, so placing trades would be like, let's say you just come here, okay, or not even here, let me just go back down to here. Let's say now you want to place a trade on euro US dollar, like currently I'm holding a short on it. Let's say you say euro US dollar and then you say new trade. You can simply see here it says instant execution. Here's the lot size, which is the amount that you wanna go like enter this trade with, and here's the stop size, the stop loss value and the take profit value. So meaning that if you are selling it now, you'd obviously pick the instant execution, but if you wanna sell it, like buy it when it has went lower to a specific point, there's a bit more advanced. I won't speak more about this for now. I'll explain them. Maybe if you guys want to know about them, let me know, and then I'll make a video about them. And you can simply see these different order types, which I teach about this, the different order types. And let's say instant execution, you can simply change your lot sizes here. So obviously if you have a small account, you won't be using such a lot size. If you have a big account, yes, you'd be using it. So for instance, let us just stick to 0.10 lot sizes. Okay, 0.10. So let's say now you sell this trade, your order is placed, and you can simply see that your order is now running here. Okay, your trade is now placed. So to insert your stop loss, you can simply go back to the chart. Okay, sorry, I pressed that. You can simply go back to the chart. Okay, you can simply go back to the chart. Okay, and okay, wow, it's going well. And you can simply see that, okay, no, I want to place my stop loss maybe somewhere here, using this crosshair that I spoke about, this one here that you just pressed. You can simply say, okay, I want to place my stop loss somewhere around here. It's the specific pips. Obviously you're gonna have to analyze and have targets and stop loss according to what you have seen. And you, let's say you place it, and this is your unit, 1,12400, let's say 1,12400. Then you go in here, you say modify, then you insert it here, do you guys still remember? Okay, I think I do. 1,12400. Okay, then you press on modify. Then you'll simply see that the stop loss will appear. Okay, I placed it there, but now it doesn't appear because we put it off here, I think. Let's see, we put it off here. So let me just say show trade volume levels. Did I press it? Trade levels. There we go, trade levels, it's off, so you have to put it back on. So what I'll simply do is that I'll put it on, and then I'll go back in the charts, and you'll see here is stop loss, and you can simply do the same with the take profit. So that's how to place a trade with MetaTrader 4 platform. I believe that you guys got value from this video.
Thank you so much for making it up until the end, and for all those that have learned something, please do tell me what it is that you have learned. And for the ones that already had this knowledge, please do let me know maybe something that I've skipped that can also help others that maybe didn't get that fact. So thank you so much for watching. And the important thing that I've been wanting to tell you is that, like, I've been getting a lot of DMs, a lot of comments, a lot of things, that messages that people have been telling me that they want like something that is like a step-by-step guide that's going to help them be able to learn the markets, which I already had, but now I've improved it into being something that will be dropped in just a single platform, whereby you'll be able to get that and have it like at your own, be able to watch these video materials or the course that I do have at your own time and pace. So what I will do is that just keep on following me, because I don't have a specific date that I'll tell you. I just want you guys to be looking out for it, which will happen during this month though. During this month, on the month of July. So one thing that I do want you to do is that simply what you can do is hit the link in my bio, get to my Telegram channel and just join. Make sure that you're able to be updated when I do drop the information that I want to be giving. Most importantly, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll just put my handle somewhere down here, which if you don't want to put down here, it's Lisiba_Steez, and then you'll be able to also see what it is that you can get from my post. So I thank you so much. Please do have a phenomenal day or night, depending on what time frame you're looking at. You're watching this video from. Lisiba Mutupi.